Hello, welcome to this video. Here we have a question which asks us to show that the mapping T that maps LR2 to LR2 defined by this transformation Txy, which is a vector x and x plus y, is a linear transformation. And we are also asked to find the inverse of this transformation T. The answer. We have two properties that verifies a linear transformation. Property number one is T u plus v. We show that this is Tu positive T v, where u and v are vectors. U and v are two vectors. Property 2, we verify that T alpha u is equal to alpha T u. Here alpha is a constant. Let's verify those two properties now. Property number one is T u v, which is equal to T u positive T v. Let a vector u have coordinates x1, y1, and v with coordinates x2, y2. Here T u is equal to T x1, y1. This is equal to, in our transformation, remember we have T xy, which is x positive y. This is the question we have. And Tu, which is T x1, y1 is equal to, this x will be in place of this y1 will be in place of y. Okay, this is the same as x1 positive y 1. T v is equal to T, our v is x2, y2. It's a vector of coordinates x2, y2. Here x2 will replace x in place of our transformation is x2, comma x2 positive y2. Okay, we have another transformation T u plus v. This is the same as T of x1, y1 positive x2, y2, and this is equal to T of x1 positive x2, comma y1 positive y2. Let's continue. This property T x1 plus x2, comma y1 positive y2, this is equal in our transformation. This x1 plus x2 will stand by x in our transformation, and this is x1 positive, x2 comma, we have x positive y, which is, this will be replacing x and this will be replacing y. That's why we write x1 plus x2 plus, this is x plus y1 positive y2. This is the same as writing x1 plus x2 comma x1 plus y1 plus x2 plus y2. We are going to separate this vector in a way we like it in two different terms. This is equal, let's have x1 comma, we take this x1 plus y1 positive, x2 comma x2 plus y2. We had v, which is x2 and y2, and u, which is x1 y1. This is equal to t u, because our u was a vector x1 y1 plus t v, because our vector v was having coordinates x2 and y2. The property number 1 is fully verified. Let's verify the property number 2, which says alpha t of alpha u. This is equal to t of alpha. Our vector u is x1 y1. This is equal to t of alpha x1 comma alpha y1. We have a transformation xy, which is x comma x plus y. Okay, this alpha x1 will come in the place of x, while alpha y1 will be replacing y in this transformation. We are verifying property number 2. This alpha x1 will come here to replace x, and y with alpha y1 will be replacing y. This is to say t alpha x1 alpha y1 is equal to, in the place of x we put there alpha x1. Here is alpha x1 comma alpha x1 plus alpha y1. This is equal to alpha x1 comma, here let's factorize by alpha into x1 positive y1, and taking alpha everywhere out, factorizing by alpha. This is alpha into x1 comma x1 positive y1. This is the same as alpha of t of u, because t of u was a vector x1 and x1 plus y1. Since both two properties are fully verified, the given transformation t xy, which is x comma x positive y, is linear. Now we are going to find an inverse of this transformation. Have a look. To find the inverse of the transformation txy, which is x comma x plus y, we need to write this transformation as a matrix form. This will be written as 1, 0, 1, 1. We only write the coefficients of x and y and multiply x, y here. Let this be a matrix A. A matrix A here is equal to 1, 0, 1, 1. To find the inverse of this vector, this matrix A, we need to find its determinant, which is A determinant. This is equal. We have this times this. 1 times 1, this is 1, negative 1 times 0. 1 times 1 minus 1 times 0, and the determinant here is 1. What we are going to do now is to find inverse of A. We write 1 over the determinant of A. Remember how to find the adjoint of this matrix. We switch these diagonal elements in a way 1, 1, and multiply minus here and here. Minus times 0 is minus, and minus 1 times 1 is negative 1. Since the determinant of this matrix A is 1, this inverse of this matrix will be 1 over 1. Here, we only multiply 1 here. This is 1, 0, negative 1, 1. So, the inverse of a linear transformation T inverse xy will be written as the matrix inverse times xy. This is to say, this inverse transformation is equal to the matrix inverse is 1, 0, negative 1, 1 times x, y. The transformation inverse xy, this is equal to 1 times x is x positive, 0 times y, that is 0, comma, negative 1 times x, this is negative x, plus 1 times y, this is plus y. Here is an inverse of our transformation. Thank you. I'm waiting for you to watch again another video.